I've been telling Jay to do something really specific to his car for the past like 5 or 6 months now. It's his build, he didn't want to do it, I respect that. I don't know what happened, but Jay finally pulled the trigger and we got bags for the WRX. For those of you who don't know, Jay has always been the static life. He said you have to park it how you ride it, or ride it how you park it, or something like that. You guys know that I love bags. I have air suspension on my car, don't regret it all, and I absolutely love it. Jay, what made you go from coilovers to air suspension?
So basically, long story short, I hit up 2 companies to give me a sponsorship or whatever. One of them replied that they weren't. One of them replied that they're not accepting sponsorship. Dude, I was gonna pay $2 grand for coilovers. And my boy hit me up. He's like, my boy's selling bags for $2,200.
Too good of a deal to pass up for air suspension.
Yeah, and
huge move, like, huge move. I'm super proud of you, little bro, for finally pulling the trigger and getting bags. I'm still not touching the ground, sadly. I will eventually, trust me guys. We gotta do a few things, then we'll touch the ground. Jay, holy fuck, you are so high off the ground. Monster truck, bro. That's monster truck status, dude. But hopefully today you'll be touching the floor. Hopefully. The car right now is on Tein coilovers, and this is how low he is. He's tucking tire 24/7. That's wild. I don't know how you do this. I gotta give that to you at least. That's ballsy. I would never be able to do that. I've been waiting for this day for so long now. Little bro finally got the bags in. We're having a few friends come over today. You good?
You good, yo? You good?
We're having a few friends come over today. We're gonna try doing a proper trunk setup. Try is the key word here.
I got this.
The goal is today to finish this in 4 hours. For my bags, it took about 2 days.
I know, but we did his bags. It took mad long.
But we were also learning. We were learning how to put them on.
And now we have a couple people like know about bags and stuff like that. And also the guy that sold me the bags, he labeled everything for me. So that'll hopefully help a lot.
That helps.
The only problem I think we're gonna run in is running the cable from my battery straight into the cabin. The firewall in my car is like directly in the bottom, and it's just really hard to get to. And look at my sausage ass fingers, like your girl loves these fingers.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
All right.
Today, dude, you can't talk anymore. Before we even start, I'm gonna apologize because I know I'm gonna sweat my ass off. Jay, you're probably gonna sweat your ass off too.
I'm sweating right now.
It's super hot, way too humid in New Jersey right now, but let's bring the WRX into the garage just so we can go ahead and get started. And you wanna bring it more towards the middle, dude?
Yeah,
just go like. Luckily, the WRX's suspension, or at least the WRX 2015 Plus, the suspension is like identical to the BRZ, so I kind of know exactly what to do. 3 bolts up there to loosen up the top hats. Just gotta get these 2 19s out. Gotta take out the end link. Then this whole coil should just come right down, and then we'll slap the air strut right in. And also don't forget the brake line. But yeah, it's actually really, really easy, especially the front. See you later, funk suspension. Hello, AirLift. You know the transition where it like zooms in? So I'm thinking if I like throw it towards the car, I'm not gonna hit the car, catch it before it hits the car. But I'm thinking if I throw it towards the car, no. I'll zoom in while it's going. So it'll be like a zooming in effect. And then when it zooms out, it's already in.
Right.
Catch it.
Wait, hold on. What I was thinking, just so we know we don't risk anything, just fucking go like that, and then like
we'll try that on that side.
And then we'll go like that, and then we'll just like.
We'll just do that on that side. We'll try both. We'll try both. All right. Ready? All right. So let's put this in. Jay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Why would you agree to that? I was totally kidding. Dude, I can't believe he agreed to that, yo. Dude. One air strut is completely in. We're probably gonna have to go back and lower this a little bit more. I know in mine I had to do that a lot, but yeah, one's in so far. Jay's working on it in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side. I'm gonna try to keep it down, but I did that all by myself. How many people does it take to do the rear? How many people does it take to change an air strut?
I know it, you gotta believe most of us save a car. Yeah, now I do.
K20 VIN. I'm gonna post weekly on every Friday, so subscribe to K20 VIN.
You know, you might have to go deeper in there.
I don't know how deep I'm gonna go. This whole car will collapse.
You know, he did it unfazed.
Lose count of all the times that I fell through. Go and tell them what I do. Yeah, probably got flu like a sickness. Spit bars like it's Christmas. The boy gifted, y'all don't listen. Never learned how to finish. Still jump up on the curb like a kickflip. High school, they said I never had skills.
Probably been like about a good 2 hours, and we just finished putting all the struts in. The rears are in, everything's torqued down. The fronts are in, everything's torqued down. All of them have the air lines dangling. We're gonna have to drill some holes into the car so we can run the air lines through that. So far we're doing pretty good. Now we're just gonna figure out the whole wiring situation, running everything from the fuse box back and all that good stuff. By good stuff, I don't really mean good stuff. I fucking hate wiring. I suck at it. That's gonna be the trunk, compressor gonna be the trunk. We have to run all these wires through the car. Oh dude, that's gonna be harder. You have 2 sets of seats. I only had 2 seats. Damn. Okay, well we have to run these wires through the car. That's all connecting to the battery. And then this right here is gonna connect to the fuse box. Super simple, except for this. This is gonna go into the car because this connects to the little iPod thing. It's the next day now. We couldn't finish the car yesterday like we wanted to because Jay doesn't know how to work on cars.
Yeah, right.
But it is the next day now. We couldn't finish yesterday like we wanted to. We ran into a small issue
Last night we had 3 of these, and we only had 1 of these like this.
Yeah, so basically we were missing the fitting.
Yeah, so now we got it.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, these fittings are basically what connects the hose to the strut. Basically, we were missing one of the fittings. Huge shout out to Dan for having an extra fitting and giving it to us. I put on my story and he came in super clutch. We picked it up today, so today we can finally finish your bag install. This was literally the only thing. Can you believe it, dude?
Yeah.
This was the only thing holding us back from finishing the bags last night. That was the only thing. That's annoying. The little things, man. It's always the little things. So just to run you guys through everything, we got all the air struts in. All the air struts are connected. They're torqued down. They have the braided air line sticking out. Connect all the air hoses to the air struts. The compressors and the management is already getting power. We have the harness running to the battery and the fuse. All that's left is connecting the air hoses to the management and from the management to the air struts. Front struts, rear struts, basically everything is connected. We got everything connected from the management to the tank and the compressors, all that good stuff. Everything is connected. Oh, it's not focusing, but the PSIs are going up, dude. Dude, oh, I'm so excited. If this camera ever focuses, you guys can see that the PSIs are actually filling up, but tank's filling up, dude. Tank is filling up. It would go so much faster if the car was actually started, but I just don't want to start the car right now because it's on 4 jack stands. But holy shit, dude. So excited. 2 compressors. That's baller. Because I only have 1 compressor, dude. That's baller. Ladies and gentlemen, mainly gentlemen, because I'm pretty sure I only have like a 1% female audience. We've been working on this car for about 2 days now. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and just air it out. Dude, the front could definitely go lower. You're gonna be one of those dudes airing out at every red light now. I already know it. I already know it. Good morning, bros. What is going on? It's actually been a few days since we installed Jay's bags, but we have done absolutely nothing. Right now we're shooting Jay's car and my car. Huge shout out to Vinny and Juan for shooting our cars. Huge. Oh my god. Yo, you have to put that. You have to put that. I keep messing it up. Okay, I guess I forgot his name. Fucking Vito. We're shooting with Vito and Juan. Huge thanks to them. Also, I didn't. One thing we did do. I know one thing we did do is take off my wing. My car looks so dinky without the wing. Oh my god. But yeah, I know you guys didn't get to see the WRX that much with the air on. Honestly, it doesn't look too different from when it was static because he was already low as fuck, but the car looks dope. thought this was so funny. He told me to pull the camera out to record. What'd you want to say, dude? What did you want to say?
Nothing. I'm just putting this in your car.
Fucking hilarious. You just gave everyone pink eye, dude. You gave all the viewers just pink eye. If you don't put that in your video, he's got a two-step. He's got a two-step. Now, if I know Jay, I know that he's gonna two-step. Told you guys.